Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics with your host, Milton Ibiwari John. Today we are still on the series of factorization. And we are looking at common factors with larger expression. In our last video, we did how to get factors of binomial expressions. But today we are looking at factorizing larger expressions. Okay, we have examples on the board which we are going to treat in this video. The first example says factorize 2x into 5a plus 2 minus 3y into 5a plus 2. Remember in our last video, for you to factorize algebraic expressions, you get the HCF of the term, and then with that you'll be able to factorize. We'll still use that approach in this video to factorize these expressions. So straight away we'll go solve number 1. 2x 5a plus 2 minus 3y 5a plus 2. So we are going to get the HCF of these two terms. So like we did, we get 2x into 5a plus 2, and then we have 3y into 5a plus 2. So looking at this, what is, we have the minus sign here, minus 3y. So what is common with this and this, or what can divide this term and this term? Obviously you see that 5a plus 2 is here, and also 5a plus 2 is here. So we can use 5a plus 2 to divide both terms, right? So 2s into 5a plus 2 divided by 5a plus 2, I'll show that here. 2s into 5a plus 2 divided by 5a plus 2. You discover that 5a plus 2 will go out, cancel out with 5a plus 2. And so we'll be left with 2x here. And then when you do the same for minus 3y into 5a plus 2 divided by 5a plus 2, we'll be left with minus 3y. Now we look at the remaining algebraic terms. What can divide them at the same time? So we look at this, nothing can divide this term and this term at the same time. And so we conclude by saying that that 2x into 5a plus 2 minus 3y into 5a plus 2 is equal to, so we get the highest common factor and write it at 5a plus 2, and we'll take what is left here, which is 2s minus, what is left here, minus 3y So with this, we've been able to factorize this algebraic expression. We've been able to factorize the algebraic expression. So factorizing this gives us this as our solution. Okay? Remember again, I say get the ACF, which is the highest common factor of the terms involved, and whatever is left after after getting the ACF, you bring them into bracket, and that forms your two factors that make up this expression. Let's look at example 2 and see for clearer understanding. We have example 2, we have a plus m 2a minus 5m minus a plus m all squared. To solve this, we already know we can write this as a plus, better still, we get the ACF of the terms involved. Let's see, a plus m 2a minus 5m, and then we have minus a plus m all squared. These are the two terms involved. So look at what can divide this term and also divide this term. Obviously, we see that a plus m can go into this term and also into this term. So we use that to divide a plus m. So 2a plus m into 2a minus 5m divided by this, we are going to get, let's show that here, a plus m into 2a minus 5m divided by a plus m. We discover this cancel out with this, we are left with 2a minus 5m. Also, what we do, a plus m all squared divided by a plus m. Remember that a plus m squared is the same thing as saying a plus m. So divided by a plus m. So this goes out with this, we are left with minus a plus m. Now looking at the terms remaining, there is nothing that can divide both terms at the same time. Hence we conclude by saying that a plus m into 2a minus 5m minus a plus m all squared is equal to the ACF, which is a plus m, into what we have here, 2a minus m, 2a minus 5m, minus what we have here, a plus m. Okay, we can further simplify this. By saying this is equal to a plus m into, we open up this bracket, so we have 2a minus 5m minus, open up this, we have minus 1 times a minus a and minus 1 times plus m is minus m. We showed you how to remove brackets from algebraic expressions from our last videos. So if you can't do that at this time, you can visit those videos and get to know how to remove brackets from algebraic expressions. So we continue simplifying this by collecting like terms. So we have a plus m into 2a, we collect this other a, minus a, and then here we have minus 5m minus n. So we have collected like terms. These are the like terms there. Finally, we conclude by saying a plus n into 2a minus a gives us a, and then minus 5m minus m gives us minus 6m. So this is the solution to this problem. We've been able to factorize. Please don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment.